Assalamualaikum beautiful people. So this is the new charger that I bought from Fortress shop because my Samsung cell phone is looking for an original charger that my old charger has surrendered already. Cannot use. So this one I asked my friend to buy for me. It's quite expensive, but I know this one is durable because it's original from Fortress shop. And also I bought the cable because my other Samsung phone doesn't want to share with its charger with my other phone because I have two Samsung phones. So you see guys, it's 1 2 3 4 and also have the USB for the USB. It's really durable. I just need to be careful not to allow it to fall down. You see, it has 3 plugs. See guys, also this one I need to close first and then open another one. So this is what we use in Hong Kong. We close it, then another one for Philippines too. So it's nice, right? But also this is very expensive if you convert to Philippine money. Also my cable. So my phone doesn't want to share cable with another phone. Funny. Okay, so that's all for now guys. This is cable. Cannot open it. There's a tape here. I have to use the cutter. So guys, just the cable guys. My other hand is holding the phone. Okay, so that's all. I need to use the second one. Okay, good night guys.